In this lesson, we're going to look at the relationship between a central angle and an inscribed angle. So let's define the point C, or the center of the circle, which is right here. Now let's define a few other points that are on the circle. Point A, point B, point C is right here, point D. Okay. Now, if we draw a chord from A to B and a chord from A to D, the angle that they form is the inscribed angle. Now, if we draw line from B to C and C to D, these lines are the radius of the circle. They're the same exact thing. The angle that they form with the center is the central angle. Now, what's the relationship between them? Now, notice how these two lines and these two lines, they would intercept the same arc length. So they would have to intercept the same arc. This is the arc, and we call it the intercepted arc. So again, the two blue lines and the two radius, they're intercepting the same arc. And if that's the case, only if that's the case, the relationship between them would be this. We would say, two ways we can say it. First of all, we can say it, central angle will then be 2 times the inscribed. So the central, this one would be 2 times that one. Or we can also say it as this. We can say inscribed angle will equal to 1/2 of the central angle. So an example would be, let's say if this angle, the central angle is 70 degree. If that's the case, the inscribed will be 1/2 of the central. So the inscribed, this one would be half of 70, and half of 70 is 35. So this is going to be 35. Or the other way around, if you want to look at it, if this is 35, this one, the central one, will be double, 2 times of 35, which is 70 degrees.